We are just 1 week away from the beginning of the theme park season here in the UK, and we're going to be there for Pleasure Beach on the 1st of March to experience the opening day. But here in the Chow Chat studio, we've got plenty of theme park news stories to get through this week. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Chessington World of Adventures and the planning approved for their Project Play development, a brand new historic attraction coming to County Durham in the summer of 2026, a teaser video for a brand new attraction this year at Gardaland in Italy, and a couple of smaller updates from the Alton Towers Resort. So as per usual, strap yourselves in, buckle up and enjoy the ride. So today we're going to start off by looking at Chessington World of Adventures Resort and the planning and permission approved for Project Play. Now if you are new to theme parks and you have no idea what Project Play is, it's basically a brand new refreshed themed area designed for preschool children. This development will transform the existing Mexicana area, including the decommissioned Scorpion Express roller coaster and the Children's Zoo, into an immersive environment designed for younger guests. This new area will feature a family-friendly roller coaster, 2 additional flat rides, a themed play area, and facilities for character meet and greets. And this particular project is slated to be completed and opened by early 2026. Children's Ride A, positioned near the area's entrance, is expected to potentially be a Sierra Drifter, reminiscent of a classic whip ride. It will feature a central theming element approximately 9.43 meters tall, with gondolas attached to a spoked structure which will allow riders to experience a drifting sensation as the ride spins around. Now the second attraction, Children's Ride B, is located opposite the roller coaster entrance, and this attraction is anticipated to be a Zamperla Samba Tower, standing about 10.93 meters tall, where riders will ascend and spin around in a central column, with gondolas possibly themed as helicopters, each equipped with a propeller. Children's Ride C, situated between the roller coaster and the facilities building, will be the re-themed existing Jungle Bus, a Zamperla Crazy Bus attraction relocated from Wild Asia, which is being redeveloped into Project Refresh and Renew. We'll talk more about that in the future of the Theme Park Newsroom playlist this year. Now there will also be a themed play area at the heart of Project Play, which is an outdoor play space featuring 3 climbable structures, including a 10.7 meter tall feature that may resemble a boat, and the play area is designed to encourage independent play and will include wheelchair accessible equipment. The area will also feature a variety of food and retail options to enhance the experience for guests. We have a central structure approximately 37 meters wide and 14 meters deep, housing several guest amenities. The western section will include a meet and greet area, providing opportunities for character interactions. The middle section will offer male and female restrooms, 2 unisex accessible washrooms, and a changing place facility. The eastern end will feature a themed retail shop spanning 200 square meters, where guests can purchase exclusive merchandise, souvenirs, and keepsakes. There'll also be 2 designated areas within Project Play, which will accommodate mobile food and beverage kiosks. One will be located near Children's Ride A, complemented by nearby picnic benches, and the other will be situated alongside Children's Ride C, and these kiosks will provide convenient dining options for families as they explore the brand new land. Now the Scorpion Express was a Mack-powered coaster originally known as the Runaway Train from 1987 to 2012, and then in 2014 it reopened as the Scorpion Express. Now the replacement ride is anticipated to be a Sierra Force model featuring a mirrored layout similar to Farmyard Flyer at Polton's Park. The ride will commence with a lift till approximately 6 meters tall, leading into a left-banked helix that circles a central theming element standing about 7.25 meters high. The track will then navigate gentle turns and small hills before returning to the station, with the station itself designed as an open-sided covered structure, ensuring easy access for every guest. So it's clear that Project Play has got everything in store. However, this is not the end of the story. Whilst the official theme of the area has not been confirmed, speculation indicates a possible partnership with the popular children's franchise Paw Patrol. I would take the Paw Patrol speculation with a huge pinch of salt at this stage of the process. However, keep it in the back of your minds that Paw Patrol could potentially be the theme for this Project Play development. But whatever the theme, Project Play is set to be a fantastic development for kids of all ages at Chessington World Adventure Resort, and here on Chal Chats we're going to keep you all up to date with what happens in the process of building, constructing and opening this brand new land. Before we get into this next story, if you are liking this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. Now let's get back on the rails. Next up, we're going to be discovering some plans for a brand new theme park that's set to be opened by summer 2026 in County Durham. But this is not any old traditional theme park. This has got cinematic experiences. This has got a tale of history. This is Kynren, the Storied Lands. Kynren has announced plans to expand its attractions with a new daytime theme park called the Storied Lands, which is set to open in Bishop Auckland in County Durham in summer 2026, pending a final planning approval. This immersive park will transport visitors through various historical periods, myths and legends via live-action performances, and the initial phase will feature 5 distinct shows and experiences. These 5 experiences are Neolithic Britain, where guests begin their journey in the era of the first settlers, an interactive multi-sensory spectacle depicting Norse life in the Viking show, complete with warrior clashes and fiery battles, a lakeside performance retelling the Lambton Worm myth featuring thrilling water stunts known as the Legend of the Weir, the Lost Feather, which is a captivating show exploring the relationship between birds and humans set on a stage inspired by a bird's nests, and Victorian England, where visitors can stroll through gaslit streets experiencing the sights and sounds of the era. The park's centerpiece will be Fina, an epic spectacle where medieval knights engage in horseback combat, showcasing daring stunts and horsemanship, and in addition to the new attractions, the existing Kynren Epic Tale of England evening show will continue on Saturday nights, featuring a 1,000 strong cast and crew of volunteers. Future development phases aim to introduce more attractions themed around eras such as the Tudors, as well as legendary tales such as Robin Hood and Excalibur, and this expansion is poised to transform Kynren into a premier destination for immersive historical experiences in the UK. When you take into consideration the fact that Universal could be coming to the UK as early as 2030 or 2031, and now you've got this massive experience, you've also got talks of a Puy de Fou park here in the UK as well for the future. The UK theme park industry is looking very, very bright. It isn't just about Merlin Entertainment, it's not just about the likes of Polton's Park, Drayton Manor, the parks that we've been used to for so long now. We're seeing brand new experiences come into this country. We're seeing the refresh of Southport Pleasureland, brand new experiences like Kynren the Storied Lands, a planned Puy de Fou theme park here in the UK, and a Universal Studios Great Britain as well. We're starting to see a brand new era for cinematic theme park and attraction experiences, and I for one am here for that. Next up, we go to Gardaland in Italy, and they're introducing a brand new attraction as a complete refresh of the former Icasari dart ride this year in 2025. It's called Animal Treasure Island, and a trailer has just been unleashed. In 2025, Gardaland will celebrate its 50th anniversary in style with the introduction of the groundbreaking Animal Treasure Island. The immersive water dart ride will debut in April 2025, replacing the long-standing Icasari, which closed back in August last year. Visitors will embark on an adventurous treasure hunt, encountering original characters and navigating a narrative that explores timeless themes such as the battle between good and evil. And this project represents significant investment of approximately €10 million, and as the first part within the Merlin Entertainment's group to showcase the new intellectual property, Gardaland aims to set a precedent for future installations in other parks worldwide. The adventurous journey through 20 intricately designed scenes, all located in a 6,000 square meter underground setting, unleashed a brand new teaser promoting the brand new ride, offering intriguing glimpses into the attraction, featuring elements like a compass, a mysterious map, and a distinctive feline presence, all hinting at the thrilling treasure hunt that awaits the visitors. Now, I do think that technically and physically, in terms of set pieces, animatronics, the potential use of technology, I think Gardaland has a really good opportunity here to really make the most of this chance creatively, to really transform the former Icasari attraction into Animal Treasure Island. And I think they've got a really good opportunity to do just that and more. And finally, today we're going to take a look at a couple of little updates over the Pirate Takeover February half-term event at Alton Towers, with thanks to Tower Street for the pictures. So first of all, as you see here, the hospitality suite next to Spinball Wizard has had a rebrand. It's now known as the Lakeside Suite, and it's looking very, very chic and modern. It's a very modern looking building. I think that it's got a nice new lick of paint almost. It does feel like it's been repainted somewhat, or a little bit of lick of paint here and there. And it's looking a bit more permanent now, which is something that's great. Obviously, the Lakeside Suite is very much the conference suite for Alton Towers, next to Spinball Wizard in the old Adventureland section, of course, not too far from Sea Bibby's Land, and also nearby, sort of at the start of that long pathway down towards the towers itself. X Sector, you've also got the Will David Williams further up, and also Dark Forest. So it's a nice permanent conference suite building looking like, and the Lakeside Suite is a great name for this particular conference building or structure. And they've done a really good job making that look all modern and giving it a new fresh lease of life over there near Spinball Wizard. And finally, the Coca-Cola Freestyle machines have seemingly been replaced across the park with new style machines which aren't available during the half-term event. However, we can expect these to be open ready for the start of the season on the 15th of March. So Coca-Cola Freestyle seemingly is no more at Alton Towers, and these brand new machines look very, very good. They're ready for the start of the season, as you saw by the picture from Tower Street. Again, massive thank you to Tower Street for letting us show that. And overall, for me, I think Alton Towers are getting themselves prepped ready for the start of the season. I think with Toxicator, the brand new ride this year, which is now testing, as you may have seen on social media this week, I think they're getting this ride ready for opening day. They're getting the park ready for opening day on Saturday the 15th of March. And here on Chal Chats, we can exclusively reveal that we will be there on the 15th of March for the opening day of the 2025 season. We're going to be at the opening of Pleasure Beach, at the opening of Alton Towers, and I, for one, cannot wait to get on this brand new, reimagined version of the iconic Ripsaw attraction, check out the rest of the updates around the park, and get back on some of our favourite rides. So it has been a packed week for theme parks, and thank you very much for sticking with me on this one. Thank you all very, very much. I am the CHALL Tara for now, and that is the end of your theme park experience.